So hey everyone, in this video we will see OnlyFans chat unavailable meaning and how to fix. So why this happens? You have been blocked or restricted. If a subscriber or creator blocks you or set their privacy to hide chat, their chat thread will disappear or become uneditable. Delete account. The user may have deactivated or deleted their profile, which disable all active messaging. Platform update or glitches. OnlyFans periodically pushes backend update to their direct messaging system, causing temporary chat unavailable warning from some account. VPNs or network issue. Using a VPN can trigger OnlyFans security protocols, sometimes restricting site features like chat. Step 1 is check your subscription. Log into your OnlyFans, open subscription. Find the creator you want to message. Make sure your subscription is still active. Renew it if it has expired. Second step is check your internet connection. Open another website to test your connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to mobile data. Reopen OnlyFans and try messaging again. Third step is turn off VPN. Open your VPN app. Tap disconnect or turn off. Close the app completely. Reopen OnlyFans and check if it chat works. Step 4 is clear cache. In Android, open setting, tap apps, then OnlyFans, then select storage, then clear cache. In browser, open browser setting, clear cache and cookies, restart the browser. So thanks for watching.